Hello everyone, happy to meet you again. Are you thinking how to study easily? From my own experience, I have 5 tips for you. It really works. Try it now. Read your textbooks. First of all, you should know your textbooks. Read a page thoroughly, then think about it, its content, probable questions, your views, etc. Now, the textbook's page is in your mind. Visualize the informations. With the textbook's page in your mind, try to visualize them like a movie or a portrait in a clear canvas. Visualize history, its events, geography, biology. You are the creator and you never forget your creations. The another important tip. Write the points with your fingertip. Nerve endings in our fingertips are most sensitive. That means larger brain area is ready to receive signals. You got the point? Avoid distractions. Sounds, mobiles, smells, etc. may disturb your studies. So, avoid this. Study in a calm, clear, air circulated area. Sufficient oxygen is also necessary for your studies. The final and last tip. Practice old question papers. Learn by doing is very important. One of the easy way to study is revising 2 or 3 previous years' question paper. Frequently asked questions may be marked and study with points. To perform all the above 5 tips effectively, our brain should also work properly. The right side of the brain controls attention, memory, reasoning, and problem solving. Amygdala, hippocampus, the cerebellum, and the prefrontal cortex are the main part of the brain which are involved in memory. How can we keep a healthy brain? Eat green leafy vegetables, protein-rich foods, fish rich in omega-3. Nuts, blueberries, and turmeric powder are also good for our brain. Curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric, have strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant benefits which help the brain. Consuming lot of sugary drinks, fish high in mercury, highly processed foods, refined carbohydrates, and trans fat foods are always enemy to our brain. These tips are useful for you. Go ahead confidently. Success will be yours, sure. Your comments are my motive. Hope you like this video. Like and share. Subscribe for more videos. Thank you.